Abraham Lincoln was a very, very poor person in his childhood, poor parentage. With great difficulty, he studied law and became a lawyer. Started working under the guidance of a senior lawyer who was very eminent. But that eminent lawyer never gave importance to Abraham Lincoln, didn't allow him any opportunities to present himself well. Lincoln became a lawyer in his own right. He became a politician, a political leader, became president of USA. And do you know, this senior lawyer of his used to criticize Lincoln all the time, even when Lincoln was a great political leader. And you know what Lincoln did? He appointed this senior lawyer as Secretary of Defense, that is Minister of Defense of the USA. Somebody asked Lincoln, "Sir, that person is criticizing you all the time and you are made him such a big man." Lincoln said, "I have to think in terms of the interest of the country and not of his nature." Therefore, there are certain people who are not affected by criticism at all and take it as a positive feedback. Very difficult indeed. But yes, we should not in any way be nervous about being criticized. We should have certain principles of criticism before us. Number one, criticism should be very rare, like a medicine. Criticism should be short, brief. Half a minute is enough. Should be well thought out. Looking at the consequences of criticism. What's the likely impact of the criticism on the person who is receiving it? After all, the objective of criticism and praise are similar: to improve the person, to reform him, to make him better. Criticism should not be made in any harsh language. Use the right language. Give reasons for criticism. Make it a sandwich system. One praise for the thing done earlier, which was good. One praise as a matter of hope for things which will be done in a better manner in future. And between these two slices, you can keep one criticism. It's a sandwich approach. It will not hurt anyone. Criticism should be indirect, not direct. It should be made alone, not in the presence of others. It should be in a very small, little voice, which is soft, not hurtful. It should not in any way be made in a loud tone. And it is very important, it should never be in written form. Only in some cases, yes, when rules or laws are violated. But as far as possible, we should be mindful of the fact that people develop, improve, change, reform through care, through faith, trust, hope, and support. Use criticism with great care and select one day in a week when you will not criticize anyone. And when somebody criticizes you, don't feel too bad. It's an opportunity to reform and reflect, and through introspection, improve ourselves.